6 past 18, he was waiting for the bus in his army green. Sat down in a booth, cafe there, gave his order to a girl with a bow in her hair. He's a little shy, so she gave him a smile, and he said, would you mind sitting down for a while and talking to me? I'm feeling a little low. She said, I'm off in an hour and I know where we can go. So we went down and we sat on the pier. He said, I bet you got a boyfriend, but I don't care. I got no one to send a letter to. Would you mind if I sent one back here to you? I cried, never gonna hold the hand of another guy. Too young, and they told her, waiting for the love of a traveling soldier. Our love will never end, waiting for the soldier to come back again. Never gonna be alone when the letter said the soldier's coming home. So the letters came from an army camp in California and Vietnam, and he told her of his heart, might be love and all of the things he was so scared of. He said, when it's getting kinda rough over here, I think of that dancing around here, and I close my eyes to see your pretty smile. Don't worry, but I won't be able to write for a while. I cried, never gonna hold a hand of another guy. Too young, and they told her, waiting for the love of a traveling soldier. Our love will never end, waiting for the soldier to come back again. Never gonna be alone when the letter said the soldier's coming home. One Friday night at a football game, the Lord's Prayer said and the anthem sang. A man said, folks, would you bow your heads for a list of local Vietnam dead?